Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when acetic acid reacts with HN3 in the presence of H2SO4. Product choices are 1. Methanol, 2. methylamine, 3. methyl cyanide, 4. acetaldehyde. Answer is 2. methylamine. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Acetic acid reacts with H+ to form this intermediate. It is HN3. At first, N- attacks this carbon and this bond moves here. As a result, this intermediate is produced in the next stage. From this intermediate, H2O moves out, so this intermediate is produced in the next stage. In this intermediate, the methyl group migrates to nitrogen. This bond moves here and the N2 moves out. As a result, methyl isocyanate is produced in the next stage, which reacts with H2O to form methylamine. This reaction is an example of the Schmidt reaction. Thank you for watching this video.